Hi, Ben here. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a sub-bass. A sub-bass is basically just a single waveform, usually a sine wave, playing at a low octave. So it doesn't really matter which plugin we use to create it. I like to keep it simple, so I'll just use 3X Oscillator. We only needed one oscillator, so let's turn off the other two. Then, to get us closer to our desired range, we'll turn our remaining oscillator down by 2 octaves, or 24 semitones. And boom, there you go. We have successfully created a sub-bass. Now, here's a couple of things to keep in mind with your new powerful tool. I recommend using a mid-bass to add presence and use your sub-bass as a sort of sine wave extension of whatever your mid-bass is playing, just at a lower octave. If you only want the sub, you should add some overtones to it with saturation or distortion. This is to ensure that your bass is perceived on all systems, even the ones without any sub. The sub-bass is usually defined within the region below 100 Hz. Our human hearing goes as low as 20 Hz, and the feeling of a sound being in sub-range stretches as far up as around 70 Hz. So between these 2 points is our sweet spot. I'm telling you this because this is approximately where you should aim to place the notes of your sub-bass for the best effect. Now, this doesn't mean you can't move outside of this region, it just means that the main portion of your sub-bass should operate here. If you have any questions, or if something wasn't clear, you can leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Like and subscribe for more FL Studio tutorials, and don't forget to click the bell button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any new content.